प्रकार से सबसे बड़ा ट्रैवल एग्जीबिशन है, जहाँ पर देश के सारे राज्यों से बड़े डेलीगेशंस आए हैं और साथ ही में करीब करीब 30 से ज़्यादा देशों से यहाँ पर डेलीगेशंस आए हुए हैं, जो अपने अपने देश के अपने अपने राज्यों के जो टूरिज़्म है उसको प्रमोट करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। मूल रूप से हम ये मानते हैं कि टूरिज़्म ये एक प्रकार से राष्ट्रों को और कम्युनिटीज़ को, समाज को पास में लाने का काम करता है। सबसे ज़्यादा टूरिज़्म के कारण रोज़गार तैयार होता है, तो एक प्रकार से वो अधिकारिता देता है, एम्पावरमेंट देता है, और इसलिए टूरिज़्म को बढ़ावा देने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। महाराष्ट्र ने भी अपना एक बहुत बड़ा स्टॉल यहाँ पर लगाया हुआ है।
Making that as a big event now, and the kind of people who participated there, and even the people who came in from the travel industry, I think you should have a feather in your hat for doing that work very well, and make it. And my request is take it to another level. That it is one of the best fairs in the region, and I can see right now that's happening. So congratulations to you for doing that. That's very good.
Thanks to the show again, good platform to do that, and that I would say will be the biggest takeaway for my company to establish brand, especially in the domestic segment and the outbound segment, which is apparently something new for us, which we are getting into. So OTM is the best platform to do such sort of an establishment. So that would be the biggest takeaway for me.
It's grown since last year. We'd like to see moving forward a lot more of the decision makers attending the event. The setup, and it was a breeze working with the organizers here, so it was really easy to set things up and get things organized. Really happy with that.
OTM is a great way. It's a very larger platform where we can participate, meet our B2B partners at one place. And it's a great scope for people from and travel agents, customers from all over India and world to meet up at one particular place. So it is very convenient for us as a travel agent.
OTM is that kind of a platform that allows you to have that global reach. It allows us to put a name to the face. So it's fantastic that what they've done, and I think comparison to last year, this has grown 20%. There's been a overwhelming increase in the numbers for OTM.
OTM is one of the best exhibitions in India. So right now we can consider, OTM Mumbai especially is something which you would never like to miss. So OTM Mumbai is something where we have always been able to interact with a lot of buyers, and they have been able to give us a lot of business to our travel agents. We have got, right now also we have a big delegation, almost 115 travel agencies from Jammu and Kashmir who are here. So we have Thai, Task, and we have people from Jammu region, we have people from Ladakh region. So OTM is one of the biggest exhibitors, exhibition potential, where we are exhibiting from last so many years, and we have very good hopes from them.
Staff was very cooperative. We had, in terms of help and all, we were very fine.
OTM is a very good platform to do a business, travel business, and it's since many years getting a good response, and hope it will continue to do so.
This is OTM comparatively to the previous ones. It is, I think that we have more than 5, maybe our 10th or 11th OTM here. But anyway, compared to the last year, it was good. It was good, and the response was good. The people, those who are coming to attend the particular place was creamy layer. Creamy layer most wanted the same. So if you are getting the visitors from the creamy layer or who want the tour, means it will help us a lot. That's the basic.
OTM has a history of, being the biggest exhibition which takes place in India. So as usual, this year also it was really very busy, and I hope it continues that way in the coming years.
OTM is a good trade show. We have been here last year and the previous year. Every year there is a growth, and this year we are participating on our own as an exhibitor. Last year and the previous year we have come through the government of Dubai, expecting something really good. Business is booming, and we met lots and lots of potential buyers from Mumbai, and we are very happy.
The OTM is a good platform for the hoteliers and travel agents. It's a good platform to OTM.
OTM is definitely very good venue here. I'm attending OTM from last maybe 15 years. I will say, yeah, 15 years approximately. This is an opportunity you get here where you can really exchange, Most important is the cards. Second thing is the business. People understand what you're doing. So every year we are growing, we are introducing more properties now. So this is a location where we have people from Gujarat, you have Nagpur, Indore, Bhopal, Pune. Most of the Maharashtrian clients, all they come, and so it's very nice for meeting all these people and make them understand that what we are doing now.
One thing that you people are always doing is you bring new products in, and everybody in travel industry is looking at new products. So once you bring new products, that gives a leverage to you that people look at. It's a risk, of course, it's a risk for you. But for travel fraternity, it becomes a plus point. And then your selection of people who are coming back to you is because they are getting value out of being here. So that value is because of the quality of buyers that you keep getting, from various walks of travel fraternity. And when they come, and that footfall makes a huge difference. And I can see that, to meet them and to create the new foundation for whatever they want to build on, maybe the new contracting, the new rates, and whatever new information they want to give, that's a very good thing that they bring in. Because your selection of both buyer and sellers is one thing I always see is very specific. You just don't bring in anybody who wants to come in. That's great, and congratulations for that one.